Morning. We're waiting on our Uber Francisco. Must be popular. We're back to our previous city. Yes. Different area though.
A little souvenir shop.
What? We're on a different frequency wave here in America. And this is if I set all the lights.
Yeah, flicker.
Everywhere flicker. Made it to the bus.
Seville, back to Seville.
Yeah. Hotel. What's it called? What's it called? And our next hotel. Ooh. I think we are here. World's largest structure in the world. Big like boxes you put together with all the slots in it.
Yeah. See the city from it.
Pretty cool though. Reminds me of Walking.
Oh wow.
Okay. Light show at 8. Can go see both. Oh yeah, let's see the escalator. I mean, I love my exercise.
Exercise and whatever you want to do as far as rest.
Oh yes. So. They built it before it was underneath here. That's cool.
Yeah, it's kind of cool though.
Woo! Alright. On my camera.
I only did a 1 second video, so we're really good.
Alright, well here we are.
Can I take a picture?
In front of the mirror. I think it's for selfies, but okay. Oop. Whee! I'm on top of the world. My big head.
It is.
Pretty cool. Things over here. Lots of stuff. Ocean Drive.
Les damos la bienvenida a la experiencia inmersiva de las setas. Les recordamos.
Head's behind the sangria. What you got going on here?
Tennis sangria.
What's this? Mine looks yummy. How's it? No, chicken Thai something. There's a mini basketball court at McDonald's.
Oh, it's whatchamacallit.
Some random potato wedge there. But yeah. Walking in the rain. At least I got to wear shorts for half of the day. But so we decided with McDonald's. It was the easiest. Nice and cozy in a lovely little bed.
Yes.
Oop, puddle. Yep.